guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this look right here, and yes, I am using some products from the DESIxKATY collection with Dose of Colors. I just had to do, you know, some type of matte eye look with this Friendcation palette. So if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. I'll be starting off with my eyes. I already primed my eyes with concealer. It was the BH Cosmetics concealer. I forgot which one, I put it away already. And the palette I'll be using is the DESIxKATY palette, the Friendcation palette with Dose of Colors. The brush I'm using is BH Cosmetics number 2 brush, and I'll be dipping in to Basic. Going to pat that on my lids to set them, and also my brow bone. I'm just going for a matte look with this, so that's what I'm going to be using. I'm going to dip in to Necessary first and applying it in my crease with a light hand. The funny thing about this is that this shadow is called Necessary, and it's literally necessary to have it. Like, this is a shadow that you need to have in your palette. I'm also applying Necessary on the outer corner as well. But now with a brush that has no product on it, I'm just gonna go back and forth and blend it, just like dusting it back and forth. Going to take this brush right here, and I'm gonna go into Churro, and I'm going to dust that right in the outer corner to deepen the outer corner out. And with no additional product, I'm gonna bring it in the crease and just buff it upwards. With a brush that has no product on it, again, going in to blend this out. With this BH Cosmetics number 3 brush, I'm going to take this and dip it into Girl Bye. And I'm going to focus this in the crease. So I already did this eye. Now I'm gonna show you how to do it. So I'm taking my concealer, the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and then this flat brush right here from Unported Cosmetics. I'm gonna just tap the brush on the wand, tap it on my lid, look up. Okay, now that I look up, I can now define where to apply your concealer. Now that I did that, I'm going to take this brush right here and tap into Basic and just apply the shadow right on top. And now I'm going to take my finger and go into Basic and just do a little bit more. I'm taking this brush right here that has a point and dipping into Girl Bye, and I'm going to define this line even more. Taking this brush, and I'm gonna go into Churro and just apply it right on the outer corner. I just want to deepen that outer corner out, and I want to diffuse this line. I don't want it to look like a harsh line. So I'm gonna go into Basic, dust it off, and just blend that out. Diffuse everything, no harsh lines. I'm going to use this right here. This is a new brush that I received from my Ipsy bag, my September Ipsy bag. Luxie collabed with Warner Brothers, and this is the Wonder Woman brush. So that's so awesome. So I'm gonna use this to dip into Fuego and pop some in my inner corner. Now I'm going to moisturize my skin with my e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. I'm going to be using this blurring primer from Cover FX. I've been on this path of just using concealer and that's it. I'm going to be using both of these concealer, well, 3 concealers. 2 are from Maybelline Fit Me concealers, and then this one from e.l.f. Now with my e.l.f. concealer, I'm gonna apply a little bit on the under eyes. And now this one, I am going to use this to make my skin a little bit more warmer. This looks crazy now, I'm telling you. It's gonna all bring it together. Now I'm going to take this brush right here. I'm not applying no product on it at all. I'm just gonna buff out the edges right here. Taking this little pencil brush right here, I'm gonna dip into Churro. I'm just gonna buff this on my lower lash line. I'm gonna take this flat brush right here and go into Chains. I'm just going to apply it right on my lower lash line to deepen it up. I'm dipping back into Basic to just buff this out. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes, and I'm gonna curl my lashes and just apply mascara and no falsies. I don't wear falsies all the time. I don't do wing eyeliner all the time. Those are the 2 things that I have to get used to doing. I'm going to use the Tarte Light Cameras Action mascara. Then for my bottom lash, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Waterproof Length and Volume mascara. I'm going to take this brush right here and dip into Just a Kiss and apply that right on top of Fuego for my inner corner. This is something new for me. I got this in my Ipsy bag as well. This is the Freematic bronzer. I don't think it's going to be a big of a difference. I don't know, because it looks so light. I'm gonna use this to contour my nose. Sorry, I want to bring this close, you know, the mirror. This is just a bronzer, so I'm just gonna take this brush, dip it in. Even though it's a light bronzer, because I feel like it's the color of my skin a little bit, but you can build it up, I feel. Now we're going to use some Fuego on the cheekbone. Do you see that? Now taking this brush from Luxie, I'm gonna dip it in Fuego again and use it for my bridge of my nose. Oh, this is wonderful for this. And my Cupid's bow. For my lips, I'm going to use the IBY Beauty Rosebud Lip Pencil. I'm going to outline my lips. For lipstick, I'm going to use Aftermath from DESIxKATY collection. I love this. I literally love this lipstick. It looks so beautiful. So I'm just gonna take Hey Girl and dab it right in the middle. So this is the end result of my tutorial. This is straightforward to me. I am loving it. And this lipstick, Aftermath, this is my fall lipstick. I already know it. I used all the mattes from this palette and I think it turned out so wonderful and so fall. Paired so well with Aftermath, and I just had to apply a little bit of Hey Girl, just, you know, brighten up the lips just a little bit in the middle. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye. Okay, well, you gotta say hi to my camera and everything because I'm filming.
Oh, hi.
Today's tutorial. What the fuck? Author.